Yeah. Hello guys, today I'm showing my saves. Okay. Big wheel. Studio logo. The end of play crash, but I don't want to spawn that again. So, electrified melon. I'm in a mortally mode, but electrified melon is literally in mortally mode too. Let's do that again. Oh, he loses his and tilted to William Afton. Copy version of me. What is laggy? 20th Century Fox logo. Robo Melon. I'm in my voice is literally in normal mode, so alright, you're well, seems the overvided melon.
Kaya nga.
No.
Ay kung alam ko di.
Chomper.
Eh lagi ko naman sabi, Ike, dali natin yung
pera
hindi kasya.
Some humans.
Pang naipakuha ko sa inyo.
Why is it so laggy? I'm gonna be in slow motion.
Ha? Oo.
Chomper's jaw.
Nadyan. Ewan ko ba ka?
Grinder.
Dapat pati naiinitan daw yung
Toilet room. Bamba. Car one, but this is explodable. I add C4 and the landmine, so let's explode it. Lighthouse in a hill. Oh my god. Short lighthouse. Tall lighthouse, and let's demolish it from grabbing it. Oh my god, push it harder. Oh my god, there it is! Oh my god, the head! Two lights, but I forgot it into my video. I forgot it into my tuned video. I got myself into the lighthouses. I'm in immortally mode, so let's check it into the top. My autosave. My copy, but this is the same. Oh my God, I'm in Philippines, but I'm in not United States. I'm in Philippines. Why? Why?